The word altcoin is a short form of Bitcoin alternative or alternative of Bitcoin. What it therefore means is every other cryptocurrency apart from Bitcoin. Altcoins are known as Bitcoin alternatives because at the very least these altcoins are designed to either outperform or replace Bitcoin or improve on the feature of Bitcoin or provide features that are not provided by Bitcoin in addition to the Bitcoin basic features. Bitcoin has a sufficiently gathered reputation that it currently has wide acceptance. Irrespective of this, many people are unaware of the mode of operation of Bitcoin or understand the principle and mode of its operation. However, many people who get interested in cryptocurrency get baffled by the fact that apart from Bitcoin, there are hundreds of other cryptocurrencies in the market. These other cryptocurrencies, with the exception of the Bitcoin, are referred to as altcoins. Altcoins are a fascinating section of the cryptocurrency scenery, but they are unsuitable for every investor. There are a lot of questions that the new investors in altcoin want to be answered, and if you are one of those venturing new into this field of financial investment, this article will be a good resource towards assisting you to understand better the market. A proper understanding of the market will help you to decide whether or not to include altcoin in your investment portfolio. Yes, Bitcoin and Ethereum are indeed the most popular and largest crypto coins by market cap. However, the altcoins that we share today have shown a lot of potential. This is what informed our picking of the above topic. Welcome to today's video on 6 promising altcoins to invest in 2021. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Crypto King. Here you will get the latest cryptocurrency news, all investing information in crypto, and how to earn money from crypto. If you are new here, please like and subscribe to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to click the bell icons so you get notified every time we upload a new video. So, let's get started. It has been over a decade since the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin, the first and by far the most popular form of cryptocurrency in the world. Despite its fame, Bitcoin isn't the final word on cryptocurrencies. Imitators, innovators, and spin-offs have emerged in huge numbers, and there are more than 7,000 cryptocurrencies on the market today. With such a broad range of altcoins to choose from, how do investors know which is the best cryptocurrency to invest in? That's why we prepared this video to guide you in choosing altcoins that have the highest potential of giving you good fortune in 2021. But before we continue, let us watch how Dogecoin, the little-known altcoin, rose from a mere joke to gain the popularity it has today. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that started as a joke in 2013. It is a satirical homage to Bitcoin, designed to serve no real purposes other than generating a few laughs. It is named after an internet meme created centered around the image of Shiba Inu dog with a bad spelling habit, thus Doge instead of dog. On January 28, Mr. Musk tweeted a Fox Doge magazine cover. It isn't clear why or what caught his attention. He has since continued to tweet about the cryptocurrency. Once, he shared a meme based on the movie Lion King with the Shiba Inu dog superimposed on Simba's face. Another time, he wrote, "Who let the Doge out?" and "No highs, no lows, only Doge." Perhaps, in an effort to be helpful, he also tweeted that he described as an instructional video titled D is for Dogecoin. His cryptic comments have prompted the cryptocurrency's popularity to skyrocket, with musicians, including rappers Snoop Dogg and Soulja Boy, as well as Kiss frontman Gene Simmons, sharing memes and tweets with their followers. Dogecoin. This is the cheapest cryptocurrency to buy in 2021, thanks to Elon Musk calling himself the Doge Master. This coin has seen the spotlight after a dodgy history. Created in 2013 as a meme coin, nobody expected this coin to become legit, let alone be included in the top list of cryptocurrencies. The price spiked from $0.007635 to an all-time high of $0.074398 in less than 2 weeks. All this came after the GameStop incident and Elon Musk's tweets. Bitcoin Cash. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are predicated on blockchain technology, which stores information about crypto transactions within blocks of data that can contain 1 megabyte of data. As the currency grew more popular, these data blocks filled up, slowing down Bitcoin transaction and increased transaction fees. Some Bitcoin developers proposed a solution that would efficiently reduce the amount of data needed in each block, but others believe this would compromise the integrity of the cryptocurrency. So, they created their own version of Bitcoin in August 2017 and called it Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash has blocks that can store 8 megabytes of data, allowing for faster and more frequent transactions with lower fees. Bitcoin Cash may be newer and less popular than its predecessor, but its scalability means it has incredible potential for growth and puts it in the running for the best cryptocurrency. Bitcoin Cash began 2021 trading for less than $500, but recently jumped to more than $1,500. Stellar. The aim of Stellar, founded in 2014 by Joyce Kim and Jet McCaleb, is to seamlessly, quickly, and securely link banks, customers, and payment systems. Its platform is designed to facilitate the near instantaneous exchange of funds around the globe, with its cryptocurrency XLM or Stellar acting as a bridging mechanism between fiat currencies. In early 2018, Stripe, one of the most largest payment gateways, announced to plan to replace Bitcoin with XLM. This news saw Stellar's price rise by 20% and helped solidify the coin's place in the world of Bitcoin alternatives. Cardano. Cardano is projecting a promising growth potential. The coin has surpassed its value of $0.182 in January to $1.45 in February, making it the best affordable cryptocurrency to invest in. The reason behind this price hike is the recent update that brought the ability to create smart contracts that will allow developers to start working on dApps, many new cryptocurrencies, and the DeFi sector. This coin also boasts cheap transactions with a good development team that is taking this project toward full decentralization. Compound. Com is a leading platform on Ethereum that has moved the space forward in the sense that users no longer need to sell their crypto assets in order to gain liquidity for other activities. Furo says, Compound or Com is the native token on that platform that is used to determine governance function on the platform, such as interest rates, collateralization ratios, and other properties relevant to the network, he says. What makes Com noteworthy, beyond the fact that it represents huge innovation in DeFi, is the transparency of its founding team in stating their intentions to begin with more core centralized functions and offload the responsibilities and governance management to token holders over time, Furo adds. Binance Coin. With a market capitalization of $90.9 billion, this is the third largest cryptocurrency launched in 2017. The coin is native to the Binance exchange and the new ecosystem the company is developing, Binance Smart Chain. Being one of the largest in the world, the company aims to become the primary infrastructure service provider for the entire blockchain ecosystem. Binance Coin's current value in US dollar is $663.43. That's all for today. If you have any question regarding crypto, do not hesitate to reach out to us in the comments section. To continue enjoying more of our crypto videos, kindly subscribe to our channel. Do us a favor by liking, commenting, and sharing our content with friends or across social media channels.